Hi guys, if you own a 968 or even a 944, this is something that happened to me a few weeks ago. Let me just grab the keys. I was out with my son at the skate park and I put the hatch down and the car, had the car in gear and the car starts lurching forwards and starts driving off. The keys were in my hand because I opened the rear hatch with the key. So let me just show you. In neutral, no key in the ignition, as you can see. It's a bit dark. So go around to the battery, and as the battery was on, it was a mad rush to go and get my kid out of the car, put the car into neutral, put that in neutral first because it was, like I say, lurching forwards. Get Jay out of the car, and then I had to get the toolkit out, open the bonnet, open the hood, see what was going on. And it was actually cooking. You can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it was actually cooking the terminal. You can see where the clamp is here. Anyway, so this is what it was doing. So the key is in my hand. Drawing a lot of current, and obviously it's trying to start the engine, the starter motor is rotating. So on Facebook, there's a brilliant group called 968 Enthusiasts, lots of help, mainly from the States. I've ordered from a guy called David Cunningham, who's really quite a friendly guy. He makes these cables, which are an improvement on the original, and they're the cables that go from the alternator to the starter motor. And on mine, and this is one thing you should really just check, where that cable is, just put your hand down there, give it a squeeze for the insulation. And on mine, you can actually physically feel the cable breaking up. It's like if you've got spaghetti, dried spaghetti in a packet, and you just start crushing it, it's between your thumb and your index finger. You don't have to squeeze it hard, but you can actually feel it breaking. Doesn't feel good, doesn't feel clever. So anyway, I'm gonna go on and replace this. Excuse my voice, I've got hay fever. It's spring at the moment here. And we'll see how it goes. Let's hope it works, okay?